First open Google Chrome and then go to your Google search option bar and then type download OBS Studio for Mac and press enter. Then we have this link obsproject.com Mac installation. Then let's click on it. Once you click on it, we have few instructions, then alternative installation method, homebrew, but we need to click here on the blue box download OBS Studio. Let's click on it. Once we clicked on it, it says that select your operating system. Then here Apple is already selected, that means Mac is already selected. This is Windows, this is Linux, this is Apple, so this is already selected. Then here we need to click on download installer Apple Silicon. Let's click on it, and as you can see it says thank you for downloading OBS Studio, and here if I check the download, it is downloading. The size is 179 MB and it will get downloaded in few seconds if you have good Wi-Fi. So it is getting downloaded, and then we will install the OBS on our Mac, and then we will put the settings which will allow you to record video, audio and screen recording. So it has been downloaded in .dmg file. Then we'll click on it, and then we just need to drag and drop this OBS 2 application to install it. So let's go to apps, then I have typed OBS and then the OBS is there, so let's click on it. Then as you can see, it has opened and it has scenes, sources, and here is the window. So now click on this plus icon and then we need to add Mac OS audio capture. So it will, and we can rename it. Press OK. Desktop audio capture. If you press on drop down, we have application audio capture. So if you just want to, let's say, capture audio of Google Chrome, you need to select that. We will as of now select desktop audio capture. It will capture all the audio from your Mac. So we have added one source. Then we also need Mac OS screen capture. It will capture everything that is on your screen. On display, we need to select built-in Retina display because we do not have any monitor attached to our MacBook. Then click OK. So now whenever you start recording, it will record both audio and video of the Mac screen. So if you are making any tutorial, you can just go and make that tutorial, and it will capture all the screen recording plus audio. Now the most interesting thing is how you can bring camera here so your video is also visible. So again click on plus, and then we need to select video capture device. So once we clicked on it, press OK, and then you can select your iPhone camera, FaceTime HD camera, or iPhone desk view camera. I will select FaceTime HD camera, and then I will press OK. And here you can see we can just adjust the size, and usually people put it at the bottom left. So as you can see, I have my audio, I have video, and I have my video also. So now whenever you just click here on the start recording, it will record all whatever is on the screen with audio from the screen and your microphone and also your video. So by using this, it is completely free, no watermark. You will get a perfect 4K resolution screen capture audio and your video. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye bye.